Okay. Latin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you explain what is PMM2 for second law of thermodynamics? PMM2 for second law of thermodynamics.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Without violating the first law,
Hmm.
a machine can be managed
A
which could
machine.
continuously. A, mach- a machine can be imagined
Hmm.
which could continuously absorb heat from a
Hmm.
single thermal reservoir
Hmm.
and would convert the heat completely into work. The
Okay.
efficiency of such a machine would be 100%. This machine is called
Hmm.
PMM2.
And what is the relation between N, M, and M?
N equal to M1 by M.
Hmm?
N equal to Mi by M.
N equal to
Ni by Mi by M.
N equal to M by M ആണ്.
Ah,
N എന്താണ് അതിലത്? What is N?
N equal to number of motion
Motion.
mol,
Number of
moles.
M,
M mass of substance.
capital M.
Molar mass.
Okay. Okay. Shehzad. Shehzad. Zian. Mohammad Zian. Mohammad Samar. Nived Kumar. Saurabh.
സർ നിവേദുണ്ട്.
Nivedan. Okay. Nived. What do we make compressibility factor? Set is denoted by the value set.
ഹലോ സർ,
Ah.
റേഷ്യോ പി വി ബൈ ആർ ടി ഈസ് കോൾഡ് കംപ്രസിബിലിറ്റി ഫാക്ടർ. അത് ഡീവിയേഷൻ റിയൽ ഗ്യാസ് എന്ന ഐഡിയൽ ബിഹേവിയറിലേക്കുള്ള ഡീവിയേഷൻ കാണിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് കംപ്രസിബിലിറ്റി ഫാക്ടർ ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. അത് നമുക്ക് ഒരു ബൈ പ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് ഗ്രാഫ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ പി ബൈ ആർ ടി ആൻഡ് പ്രഷർ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദ കംപ്രസിബിലിറ്റി ഫാക്ടർ.
Okay. What is path function and point function? Path function. When will you call a function as a path function?
ഹലോ സർ,
Ah.
ക്വാണ്ടിറ്റീസ് വിച്ച് cannot be located on a graph,
Path.
path function.
And point.
എക്സാമ്പിൾ വർക്ക്
Ah.
ഹീറ്റ്. പോയിന്റ്
Work heat.
ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു ഗ്രാഫിലേക്ക് നമുക്ക് ലൊക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. എക്സാമ്പിൾ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ, പ്രഷർ, വോളിയം എക്സെട്ര.
Okay. ശരി. സൗരാഗ്, സൗരവ്, ശ്രീജിത്ത്, ഉത്തരാബ്സെറ്റ് ആരുമുണ്ടോ?
സർ ആകാശുണ്ട് സർ.
ആരാ ഉള്ളത്?
സർ ആകാശ്. ആകാശ്
കെ എം.
ആ സർ.
ആകാശ് കെ എമ്മിനോട് വൈവ ചോദിച്ചതല്ലേ?
ആ സർ എന്നോട് ചോദിച്ചു.
ആ ഓക്കെ. ഞാനിപ്പോൾ വൈവ ബാക്ക് പെൻഡിങ് ഉള്ളവരാണ് വിളിച്ചത്.
ആ
സൗരാഗ്, സൗരവ്, ശ്രീജിത്ത്. സൗരവ് ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? Define second law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics. Saurabh? Hello? What is the equation for adiabatic process? What is the equation for an adiabatic process?
Hello, sir.
Ah,
അതിലേക്ക് സാർ
എന്നൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യ്. നീ തന്ന 10-20 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ.
സാർ സെക്കൻഡിലോ അത്
ഒന്നും ശരിക്കും നീ നോക്കി വെച്ചു. ഞാൻ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിന് ചോദിച്ചോളാം. അതിൻ്റെ ഇപ്പം ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് മാർക്ക് കുറയ്ക്കുക എന്നുള്ളത് നേരിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് 2 പഠിച്ചിട്ട് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മാർക്ക് കിട്ടും. ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു 2-3 മാർക്ക് ഇട്ട് ക്ലോസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. സ്റ്റഡി വെൽ ദ 2 ഓവർ 10. ഞാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മാറ്റിയിട്ട് ചോദിക്കാം. ആദർശ് മനോഹർ ഉണ്ടോ? ആദർശ് മനോഹർ
സാറുണ്ട്. സാറുണ്ട്.
Define quasi-static process.
Sir, in a thermodynamic process that happens slowly enough for the system to remain in the internal equilibrium. എന്ന് വെച്ചാല് അതായത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു സിസ്റ്റം ഇക്വിലിബ്രിയം സ്റ്റേജിൽ എത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുന്ന ആ ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സിനെയാണ് ഇക്വിലിബ്രിയം പ്രോസസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. അത് സ്ലോ പ്രോസസ് ആയിരിക്കും. സ്പീഡ് ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ഒരു ഇക്വിലിബ്രിയത്തിൽ എത്തൂല. ഇതിനെ പറയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ആ ഒരു പ്രോസസ് ആണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇതിനൊരു സ്ലോ പ്രോസസ് ആയിട്ട് കറക്റ്റ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ആക്ച്വലി ഒരു ഹൈറ്റ് നമ്മൾ താഴോട്ടേക്ക് ചാടുമ്പോൾ വെച്ചാൽ സ്പീഡ് പ്രോസസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നടക്കൂല അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത്.
Okay. An equation for adiabatic process. Equation for adiabatic. So what is adiabatic process? How can we say a process is adiabatic process?
Adiabatic process one which no heat transfer take place. അതായത് ഹീറ്റ് ട്രാൻസ്ഫർ ഇല്ലാത്ത പ്രോസസ്സിനെയാണ് അഡിയാബാറ്റിക് പ്രോസസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. അപ്പോ അതിന്റെ ഗാമ ഇസിക്വൽ ടു CP/CV.
അതെന്താണ്? ഗാമയെ കുറിച്ച് ചോദിച്ചോ? The equation for adiabatic only.
Q ഇസിക്വൽ ടു U2 minus U1.
No. A generalized equation for as I'm saying that in a generalized equation for a ideal gas is PV equal to nRT.
Okay, sir.
Like that. What is the equation for an adiabatic process? There is a general small equation for adiabatic process.
W is equal to U1 minus U2.
No W. അതുണ്ട്, അങ്ങനെ ഇക്വേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇക്വേഷൻ. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സ്പെഷ്യൽ കേസസ്. രണ്ട് മൂന്ന് കേസിലെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ വരുന്നതാണ് adiabatic process for a steady flow or something like that. That is equation. ഇവിടെ ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് ജനറലൈസ്ഡ് ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫോർ adiabatic process ആണ്.
ഓക്കെ സാർ.
അറിയോ?
സാർ അറിയില്ല.
Okay, we can continue that. Something 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Enjoy again. Can continue in the next session. So please turn off your mic. I don't know connect it. Okay. So we can continue Viva in an off session. Only I think 4 or 5 members are remaining. So here I am explaining about the basics of thermodynamics. As I conducted Viva, I fear that some of them, some of the students in our class don't have a, they know the details of the advanced portions of thermodynamics, like second law, or that PM2, or S, the N equal to M by M, that equation, the five if text, a mixture of gases, something. That mixture of gases is not coming, actually coming and not coming under thermodynamics. You want to study about what is thermodynamics, basics of thermodynamics. ചില കുട്ടികൾക്ക് അറിയും, ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാർക്ക് നമ്മൾ കളിച്ചിട്ട് the basics അറിയും. So in the first module, that is zeroth law of thermodynamics, basically first module is simply a simple module which explains the basics, utter basics of the thermodynamics. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്, അതാണ് ശരിക്കും നിങ്ങൾ അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കേണ്ട ഒരു 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 മൊഡ്യൂൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആ മൊഡ്യൂൾ ശരിക്കും പഠിച്ചാൽ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു the particular whole subject will be in the basics of the first module. So here you want to know what is thermodynamics and what is thermal equilibrium, what is thermodynamic process, what is thermodynamic state, what is isothermal, isobaric, what is adiabatic, what is the equation for adiabatic. സോ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏറ്റവും അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കേണ്ട കാര്യങ്ങൾ. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് മുതൽ കുറച്ച് ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്ത് പഠിച്ചാൽ തന്നെ ഏറ്റവും കുറിച്ച് കയറാം. So here I am again revising the first module once again for you, for the students who didn't get the basics of the our whole subject. So what is thermodynamics? The name itself indicates thermo plus dynamics. Thermo is something refers to heat, and dynamics is something refers to the motion, mechanical motion. So together comes the word thermodynamics, which means that a movement of heat from a particular point to another, or the movement or the processing of the heat. Heat is it is transferring or receiving or moving from one state to another. So anything. The whole term relates thermodynamics, movement of heat or motion of heat, or mechanical, electrical, or chemical movement of heat is known as thermodynamics. So what are the type of thermodynamic processes include? Isobaric, isochoric, isothermal, adiabatic, quasi-static process. So iso means same or constant. The name itself indicates it is a constant. So isobaric, baric means pressure. Isobaric process means constant pressure, constant pressure process. Isochoric, constant volume, constant temperature, constant entropy, constant enthalpy, or whole process described here. Iso. Then adiabatic is the different term, adiabatic, which means that it is a process which what is the difference between the adiabatic process and the whole other process. In the adiabatic process, in the whole other process, the movement of heat is referred, or the change in heat or the value of heat is there. So here there is no transfer of movement of or transfer of heat takes place in the adiabatic process. That is the main difference between adiabatic and the whole other process, which means that the transfer of heat here is zero. That is Q equal to zero. Quantity of heat Q equal, can say it as an adiabatic process is zero. Now transfer of heat takes place here. Then quasi-static process. ഒരു ഇക്വിലിബ്രിയത്തിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ച് is slow process to attain equilibrium. That movement of when we climb or when we move from the first floor to ground floor through the staircase, it is a quasi-static process. Each step by step we are moving to down position, it is a quasi-static process. Then the reverse example of quasi-static process is when we are jumping from one floor to another. It is a very speedy process. It is not a quasi-static process. There are two methods, there are two solutions for coming from higher floor to lower floor. That is, one is jumping and one is for staircase. Then coming from through staircase is a quasi-static process. It is slow by slow. Each step by step we are reaching the downward position. And we are jumping, it is not a quasi-static process. That is the main difference between the two. എന്താണ് അതിൻ്റെ റഫ് ഐഡിയ ഉണ്ടാക്കി വെക്കുക. വാട്ട് ഈസ് adiabatic process? Q equal to 0. Q equal to 0 is the something. Q equal to 0 മാത്രം ഓർമ്മിച്ചാൽ മതി. PV raised to gamma equal to constant is the equation form. As I said, PV equal to nRT. PV equal to nRT. Pre equal to pressure, V equal to volume, N equal to number of moles, R is a specific gas constant. The majority of our students in our class don't know what is R value, what is R naught value, what is M value. What is R? Simply R is defined as specific gas constant or characteristic gas constant, R. And R naught equal to universal gas constant. R is specific gas constant, R naught equal to universal gas constant. R naught is a very constant value, 8.314 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, 8.314 kilojoule per kilogram. If you are removing kilo, 8314. If it is nitrogen, there is other value. If it is oxygen, have other value. If it is silicon, argon, it is another value. R value, specific gas constant value. A particular standard value R for air is 0.287. 287 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram is the standard specific gas constant value for R. That R എവിടെയാണ് വരുന്നത്? PV equal to nRT. So ideal gas condition. PV equal to nRT. N വരുമ്പോഴാണ് R വരുന്നത്. nRT. RT. Okay, nRT. എപ്പോഴാണ് R നോട്ട് വരുന്നത്? R നോട്ട് PV equal to mRT. PV equal to m R naught into T എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. PV equal to m into R naught into T. When the equation when the problem is related to number of moles or mass, a molecular weight ഒക്കെ തന്നിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വരുമ്പോഴാണ് m R naught എന്ന ടേം വരുന്നത്. Okay, PV equal to nRT. A PV equal to that equation. Here comes adiabatic process. In the adiabatic process, we can say that PV raised to gamma equal to constant is the equation for adiabatic process. PV raised to gamma equal to constant. PV raised to gamma equal to constant is the equation for adiabatic process. Then what is the equation for a polytropic process? PV raised to n equal to constant. PV raised to gamma equal to constant adiabatic process. PV raised to n equal to constant polytropic process. Then n is the number of moles. Gamma is the ratio of Cp to Cv. Gamma equal to Cp by Cv. For standard value, we can say that gamma for air equal to 1.4. 1.4. Okay, PV raised to gamma equal to constant. Then what is specific value? What is specific? The term relates to specific. Okay, base what is the basics of the thermodynamics? Specific value, specific volume, specific enthalpy, specific entropy, specific something, anything. Specific means in a process where we are considering mass equal to 1 or mass equal to unity, the condition is known as specific condition at specific mass or a specific volume in a process which is related to when the mass is given as unity, m equal to 1. We can say that specific volume, small v, specific enthalpy, small h, specific entropy, small s. When mass is also including in the equation, like mass equal to 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram, 20, etc., etc. When mass is also included, we can say that m into h, small m into small h equal to capital H. Okay. Small m into small h equal to capital H. When the mass equal to 1, m equal to 1, small h equal to capital H. We are using the small h in the case of capital H here. When the mass equal to 1. If mass equal to something value, we can say that m into h. That is capital H. That is specific value means that when the mass equal to 1 or unity. Then quasi-static process. Then application of thermodynamics. The main application in the first module we are studying heat engine, heat pipe, refrigerator, etc. Coefficient of performance, efficiency, like that. And what is macroscopic and microscopic viewpoints in thermodynamics? How we can relate macroscopic and microscopic value? What is microscopic and macroscopic approach of thermodynamics? A question ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് microscopic and macroscopic viewpoints. The term micro and macro simply indicates micro means very small, macro is something large compared to micro. So macro viewpoint, macroscopic viewpoint means we are considering the whole system as a single thing. Macro, we can say it is a macroscopic approach. Then microscopic approach means we are considering even a single thing. And in our class, when I am describing your class S4 mechanical, and when I am describing the mark of each student, each and every student, mark of Agash KM, mark of Agilam, mark of Anirudh, Amit, etc. I am considering microscopic approach. Microscopic approach. And when I am saying that overall average of a class is something 32 out of 50. Overall average of the class. Okay, ഓരോരുത്തരെ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് പറയുന്നില്ല. I am taking overall average of the class. I am taking macroscopic approach. That is the main difference between microscopic and macroscopic. Molecular level think ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. It is called microscopic approach. And when they are considering the total average of system in a for describing a system, I am considering macroscopic approach. Then what is system and surroundings? What is thermodynamic system and what is thermodynamic control volume? A system അകത്തുള്ള സ്ഥലം system. There is a boundary for a system. And the outside the boundary we can say surroundings. ഒരു classroom എടുക്കുക. Inside it is a system. There is a boundary wall. And outside the classroom we can say it is a surrounding. That is the thermodynamic system. What is the type of thermodynamic systems? There are mainly three types of thermodynamic system. First one is open system. Second one is closed system. Third one is isolated system. Okay, what is open system and what is closed system and is isolated system? An open system can be എന്തിനാ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഫിഗർ വരക്കുക? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സിസ്റ്റം, ബൗണ്ടറി, സറൗണ്ടിങ്സ്. സിസ്റ്റം, ബൗണ്ടറി, സറൗണ്ടിങ്. ഈ മൂന്ന് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചോദിച്ചാൽ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് draw the figure of system, boundary, surroundings. And what is the condition of open system? In an open system, energy, both the energy and matter can leave the system through the boundary. ഒരു ചായ കപ്പ് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ചായന്റെ അളവും കുറയാം, ഹീറ്റും കുറയാം, പുറത്തോട്ടേക്ക് പോവാം. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഓപ്പൺ സിസ്റ്റം. Mass, matter is also going and heat is also going, energy is also going or entering the system. We can say it is a open system. Now what is closed system? In a closed system, ചായ പാത്രം അടച്ചു വെച്ചെടുക്കുക, ഹീറ്റ് കുറച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ റിലീസ് ആവും അല്ലേ? വോളിയം when the matter in the cup, that is the tea, is not leaving the system, we can say it is a closed system. That is, matter is not moving, only energy can move the system to surroundings through the wall. We can say it is a closed system. And what is isolated system? No energy and matter can leave the system. It is called isolated system. Example, thermal flask. In a thermal flask, the heat is not. Heat പുറത്തേക്ക് പോകാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഫ്ലാസ്ക് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. A thermal flask is an example for a closed isolated system where energy is not losing, either matter is also not losing to the surroundings. You can say it is a isolated system. That is the difference between open system, closed system and isolated system. Okay, and what is control volume? Control volume is a particular type of a section in a system where we can say it is a volume. For taking its analysis, we are considering a particular system or matter or a particular setup inside a system where the whole system, outside line, outside line here we can say there is an outside line in the for a system. We can compressor, we can take the അതിനുള്ളിൽ കാണുന്നതാണ് we can say it is a control volume. ഒരു ബൗണ്ടറി ലൈൻ ആണ്, അതിനുള്ളിൽ വരുന്ന we can which condition a particular type of a section that we are considering for analysis can be reached as a control volume. Okay, and microscope. Then what are the properties? As I asked in Viva, what are the properties of a system? Intensity property and extensive properties are the main two types of properties in a system. First one is intensity property. It do not depend upon the mass, temperature and pressure. What is extensive properties? Which depends upon the mass. It is called extensive properties. What is state? What is process? State is a condition of a system. At any instant of time, a particular condition when a system is moving it from one position to 1 to 2 in the condition like when a process is moving, and then we are taking at a point 1.7 or 1.2, 1 and 2 like process moving, when we are taking at a point 1.2 or 1.5, at any point, at a point the process have a particular pressure and temperature. Initially there is a pressure and temperature, and finally there is a pressure and temperature. And we are taking at any point middle of the process, there is a particular pressure and particular temperature for that process, and that condition is not a state. A particular state, 1.2, it is a particular state. It possesses a particular temperature and pressure. 1.8, there is a particular state. That is to process a pressure and temperature. We can describe a particular state by its conditions, that is pressure and temperature or volume, anything. നമ്മളതിൻ്റെ you can say ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റ് നമുക്ക് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. ഇറ്റ് മീൻസ് ദാറ്റ് റിലേഷൻ വിത്ത് ഇറ്റ്സ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ്. Okay. Process are the when a system and a state changes from a one position to another, or when the system undergoes a change in state. A state means a particular pressure temperature, like 10 bar pressure and 250 degrees Celsius temperature. At a state process 2, state 2, this pressure increases to 20 bar and temperature lower to 200 degrees Celsius. We can say that from one portion to second portion, the pressure increases and the temperature decreases. And രണ്ട് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ആണല്ലേ, ഒരു സ്റ്റേറ്റിൽ ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ എത്രയാണ്, നെക്സ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ടെമ്പറേച്ചർ എത്രയാണ്, പ്രഷർ ഓൾസോ ചേഞ്ചസ്. When a process undergo a change in state from a point to another point, we can say it is a process. In a state, when a movement of a transfer of state takes place, we can say it is a process. There are two types of process. First one is a flow process and second one is a non-flow process. Closed system undergo non-flow process where the matter is not flowing anywhere. And open system can be also open system നമുക്ക് flow process എന്ന് പറയാം. That is the system matter is flowing to inward and outward. Two types of process, non-flow process and flow process. Cycle, thermodynamic cycle. These all are the basics of our thermodynamics. For studying second module, third module, fourth module, fifth module, you want to thorough the first module initially. Not in the base. Cycle. What is a cycle called? When a process undergo a changing state from 1 to 2, and again it reaches to, after a particular revolving, when it reaches to 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, anything. Then at last, when the process reaches to 1, again we can say it is a cycle, thermodynamic cycle. Thermodynamic cycle means when a process, series of process, initial stage and final initial point and final point are same, we can call it as a thermodynamic cycle. Path function and point function. Path function and point function. At any function which we can represent in the graph, we can say it is a point function. A point which represent here, take at a point 1 is there, 2 is there, and 3 is there. We can state 3. 3 നമുക്ക് define ചെയ്യാം. 3 is the point where volume is something എടുക്കാം, ഒരു particular point എടുക്കാം, plot ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലേ? There is a particular volume here. With 3 is a point where volume is something like that and pressure is something here. Okay, I take 10 bar and 20 meter to volume. We can describe a point 3. Okay, ഒരു point നമുക്ക് we can represent in a graph P and B ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് we can represent a graph. We can say it is a point function. Point function. എന്തിനു നമുക്ക് ഡിനോട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ കാണിക്കും, വോളിയം കൂടെ കാണിക്കാതെ നമുക്ക് this point 2. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ കാണിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന point function. Path function is the function which depend upon the path. പാത്തിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. We can show it a point in a graph. We can say it is a path function. A function which depends upon the path it follows is called path function, and the function which depends upon the initial starting point and final point is called point function. Right? Path function and point function. Then phase. There are two types of phase. Phase means 3 types of phase. We are studying 3 phases in our total thermodynamic process. What is solid, liquid, and gas? 3 phases: solid, liquid, and gas. Mainly 3 phases. 3 phases ഉണ്ട്. Phase change എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? Liquid to gas, gas to solid, solid to anything. Phase change. Okay. Then homogeneous system and heterogeneous system. What is homogeneous and what is heterogeneous? Homogeneous system means a system consists of a single phase. Consists of single phase. That is only gas, only liquid, or only solid എന്ന് പറയാം. Or we can say a mixture of the two. അങ്ങനെയും പറയാം. heterogeneous. That is water when H2 plus O എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോലെ when two constituents are mixing together, we can say it is a homogeneous system itself. When H2O is a homogeneous system. But what is heterogeneous system? More than one phase is included in the system is heterogeneous. That is H2 plus O means it is a heterogeneous system. H2 plus O means it is a heterogeneous system. But H2O is a homogeneous system. When the two phases are placing it in a system separately, and two phases are included in a system, we can say it is a heterogeneous system. More than one phases. When the two phases are included, but there are a mixture of together, we can say it is a homogeneous system itself. Okay. And the condition for a system to be in thermodynamic equilibrium. What is the condition for a system to attain in a thermodynamic equilibrium? That is a Viva question which I asked in the previous session and the today's first session. What is thermodynamic equilibrium? A system can be present in a thermodynamic system can be refers to in a thermodynamic equilibrium, or a process is in thermodynamic equilibrium. We can say when it is satisfied the three conditions. First one, thermal equilibrium. Second one, mechanical equilibrium. Third one is chemical equilibrium. When the three equilibrium state satisfies for a process, we can say it is in thermodynamic equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium means that the temperature of a system does not change the respect to time, and its value is same throughout the system. We can say it is a thermal equilibrium. One system at a point, in another point, the temperature will be same. And mechanical equilibrium, there is no unbalanced force. There is no unbalanced force system between the surroundings, system and surroundings. We call mechanical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium is the chemical composition. And three conditions together satisfies, we can say the process is in thermodynamic equilibrium. Okay. Then what is the main point of our first module? What is zeroth law of thermodynamics? That is, when a body A is in thermodynamic equilibrium with B, and when a body is again in equilibrium with C, we can say that both B and C is in thermodynamic equilibrium with each other. It is the basics for the temperature measurement, thermal measurements. First module deals with the initial basic theories and temperature measurements, thermocouple or thermometers, etc. That's the first module. That is what are basis of the temperature measurement. We can say is it is zeroth law of thermodynamics. And A is in thermodynamic equilibrium with B, and together with C, we can say B and C is in together equilibrium with each other. Okay, that is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. And some measurement temperature related to constant volume, constant gas, etc., are there in our first module, and we can explain or we can revise it in our offline sessions. We will get 5 classes. 5 classes in our offline session, and we can complete on overall revising. Focus we can discuss the every module by explain theory and doing 1 or 2 problem. We can revise each and every module in our offline session. That's about today. Attendance എടുത്തിട്ടില്ല, വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക.